As we speak, car enthusiasts are driving around in vehicles that have zero modifications, and together, we can make a change. For just $3.99 a month, you can change a car guy's life. And for doing that, you'll be rewarded with amazing perks. With your help, we can take a pile like this and turn it into something like this. Or maybe you've seen our latest giveaway build, where we take a subscriber's car that he wrecked, turned it from this, and we made it look like this. And the best part about this all is that you could be next. I'm super excited to announce to you guys that we just launched our brand new membership program so that we can do more giveaway builds, we can deliver even more value to you guys every single week, and continue to pump out awesome content all year long. Once you become a Smplbuilds VIP member, you'll be rewarded with tons of awesome perks. How about 10% off all Smplbuilds clothing, like this super cool Ferrari F40 sweater. Check out the back. 10% off these hoodies that we just dropped with brand new design. You guys will also get members only badges next to your name in comments and live chat. Also emojis that only VIP members will have access to, and you guys can help me create them. You'll also get behind the scenes footage that we don't post anywhere else. It's exclusive for you VIPs. You're also going to gain access to our VIP member Discord chat. On there, you'll be able to enter your car for a chance to win a giveaway build. We're going to talk everything gaming, cars, memes, how to grow your own automotive YouTube channel, TikTok, Instagram account. I want to give you guys advice and help if you have questions about that. Early updates before anyone else sees them, including any cars that we pick up on the channel. You guys will see them first. I'm going to be giving you guys early access to everything that I'm up to in that Discord chat. But what if you don't have a car to enter into the giveaway build, or maybe you're not into that, or you live too far, or maybe another country? Well, that's okay. We're going to be giving one of you VIP members a chance to win $500 to put towards your builds or whatever you need that money for, exclusive for VIP members. And guys, we're going to be doing these giveaways as much as we possibly can. So the more support we get in this membership, the more often we can do these. Hopefully I can get to the point where I do these every single month. So tell your friends, tell your family, tell your car homies, anyone that you think would be interested in joining this club, copy the link to this video and send it over to them. But the best part about it all is that you'll genuinely be able to help spread positivity in the car community by being a part of this super awesome club. 100% of the money generated from the VIP membership will go directly into parts for future build giveaways and also the operating costs of this channel. So there's 2 levels on there, guys. You'll get all the perks on both of them, but if you have the means to support with more, then that option is there. And really, no matter what the level you choose is, your support goes a really long way. I sincerely appreciate you guys considering to support my channel in this way. It really means so much to me. I've seen social media accomplish some crazy things, and I think with my channel and the community that we can build together here, we can really come together to spread a ton of positivity in the car community and also just into the world in general. For more information on how to join one of the coolest clubs on planet Earth, click the button right down below. It's this little blue join button. You probably clicked it already, but click that button right there. So guys, thank you again. I'm really excited to see the positive impact that we can make with this channel as a community, and I'll see you in the VIP club.